Hello friends, myself Dr. Monal Parihar. I am a homeopathic doctor as well as nutritionist. I am staying at Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. I am working with Diabetic Care Clinic, Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. So today I am going to tell you about vitamin K. So as all of you know, everywhere is panic situation that due to this COVID-19. Everyone is searching how to boost our immunity to fight against this viral infection or this COVID-19. So one thing is, remember that we can't get immunity in one night or in 1 week or in 1 month. So let's listen for vitamin K to fight against these infections and to increase our immunity. So vitamin K, it is a fat soluble vitamin, means it is stored in our body. Vitamin K actually is a coagulant vitamin which is found in food and dietary supplement. Vitamin K plays a role in blood clotting, bone metabolism and regulating blood calcium levels. Our body needs vitamin K to produce prothrombin, a protein and clotting factor. Vitamin K. There are 3 types of vitamin K: K1, K2 and K3. Type K1 is a phytoquina which is found in plants and green leafy vegetables. Type 2 is menaquina, which is found in the animal sources, that is intestinal bacteria found in animals and fermented food. Type K3, that is menadione, which is a synthetic analog, that is synthetic water soluble type. Okay. Then functions. So functions of vitamin K, actually it is responsible for the synthesis of clotting factor. It plays a major role in blood clotting, that is bone metabolism and regulating blood calcium levels, that is osteocalcium, that is the bone formation. Okay, there are functions. It is the functions. Now I am going to tell you about sources where we can find the vitamin K source. Vitamin K is found in green dark leafy vegetables like spinach, turnip green, parsley, green leafy lettuce, vegetables like sprouts, broccoli, cabbage and cauliflower. Some animal sources are there, that is fish, then liver, meat, eggs. And vitamin K is also found in cereals, but in very small amounts. Cereals contains very small amount of vitamin K. Some fruit also contains vitamin K, like kiwi, avocado, pomegranate, then blackberries and blueberries. Tomato also contains vitamin K, and in figs also contains vitamin K. Then you are thinking about if you are not taking vitamin K, so what will be happen? Actually there is no deficiency. Deficiency is rare, but the main deficiency is neonatal hemorrhage, because neonatal have sterile guts and actually it unable to synthesis of vitamin K. So vitamin K is given to prevent hemorrhage to the neonates. Then fault in absorptions, administration of antibiotics. If we are taking so much antibiotics, so definitely deficiency of vitamin K can be happen. Then diarrheal diseases, blood clotting time increases, profuse bleeding from body. Then deficiency is rare, and in severe cases it increases the clotting time. So this is a